Hi, everyone. First, before we chat about why your art deserves to exist, let's get ready to draw this. I'll be jumping into the sketch with ink, so no pencil today. And I'll be placing dots to mark key points. This will help me figure out where things go on the paper. I'll start with the subject in the foreground and work my way back. That way, I won't accidentally draw over anything. It's all about being intentional with each line. No overlapping, especially since we're going straight in with ink. Let's make that our goal today. All right, let's get this sketch started and have a chat about why I think your art, all of our art, deserves to exist. You know, one of the things that hold people back from making art or sharing it is this feeling that their work isn't good enough. I know a few of you may have this feeling, and I have too, like we need to meet this criteria of some invisible standard before it can be put out into the world. But here's the truth. Your art deserves to exist because you exist. You have your own perspective, your life experience, your weird little quirks. All of that comes through in your art, and nobody else can bring that to the table. Now, is there a certain criteria to work in an animation studio? Of course. If it's work, chasing a professional goal, like playing a sport, etc., of course you need a certain skill level. It's what helps you actually do well and keep up. But today, what I'm talking about isn't about that. What's so unique about art is that it's not just about technical skill, it's about expression, emotion, and curiosity. Even the messy pieces say something real because art doesn't have to be perfectly polished as long as it's honest. So when you're sketching and you feel doubt, like this doesn't look right or what's the point, just remember the whole point of what you're sketching is about you. Your brain communicated with your hand and it made this. What's most fun for me in this journey is when I actually learn how to draw something. It's a total brain workout, and nothing beats that little spark of pride when your sketch starts to actually look like something real. That being said, if it takes longer for you to actually learn how to draw something, do it your way and at your own pace. Meaning, if you consider yourself to be a beginner for like 5 years, who cares? We're not training for the art Olympics or anything like that. So just have fun with it, mess around, and let your art exist. I hope this chat helps keep you motivated to just draw and stay creative. Again, thanks for joining me on this journey, and remember to just draw and do it, especially if it makes you happy. And as Confucius says, and yes, I'm quoting Confucius, it doesn't matter how slowly you go as long as you don't stop. All right, and with that, let's finish up the sketch and no more talking.